I've been using the grinder for quite a while now, and one thing that I've learned is you have to twist this on the bottom. So when you put that in there, twist it back.
I bought this for under $20 at Walmart. Is it any good? Let's open it, use it, and find out. The KitchenAid blade coffee grinder, it has one-touch control for fast grinding. KitchenAid is an American brand since 1919. Go to KitchenAid.com for more information. The bean capacity will be 12 cups of coffee. Has a stainless steel grinding bowl with measurement markings, which is one reason why I bought this one over the other options. The stainless steel blade grinds quickly and quietly. Removable grinding bowl, dishwasher safe, which is the other reason I bought this one. Everything has to go in the dishwasher. Here's some more information about the warranty. I've had very good luck with KitchenAid products in the past. Seems well made. It's very straightforward. Has a stainless steel cup and blades on the bottom. These parts are both dishwasher safe on the top rack, which is where mine will be going tonight. That's the grinding mechanical part of it. So the instructions just tell you to fill your beans to the desired line. There's a chart that I'll show you in a moment. Make sure you secure that in. Put the top on, plug it in, and then you hold it down to let it grind, and it warns you against pulsing. The instructions booklet shows you clearly the three parts I just explained. I assume this comes out. I did not get the optional spice grinder model. Safety instructions. And here's the operating instructions. If you need to pause and read these in case you lost your book, you may do that. It gives the operating instructions for the spice grinder, but as I said, I did not get that. It also gives some coffee grinding tips to grind the beans right before you're going to use them. It has a suggested grinding chart. Provides care and cleaning. Hot soapy water, dishwasher, safe top rack only. Then it provides warranty and service information again. And it provides this in different languages. I'm only going to brew 1 cup. I'm not really sure what these little markings are. They're very hard to read. And don't really give me a clue about what I'm doing. So I know that I use 3 scoops of this when I make a cup of coffee. I know the beans are going to grind down a little bit. So I'm going to put 4 in here and go from there. So here's the first use of the grinder. Well, I didn't have it seated properly. So that gave me this. It looks pretty good for a Mr. Coffee brand brewer. Try it and see. It smells good. unplug by pulling on the plug, not by the cord. This one has a very nice cord, very thick cord. I put 6 coffee scoops of the beans in my grinder. So that's 8 seconds. And grinds like that. Dishwasher safe, top right. See.
I've been using the grinder for quite a while now, and one thing that I've learned is you have to twist this on the bottom. So when you put that in there, twist it back towards the right before you start using it. And if I'm going to do 1 pot of coffee at a time, I put about 5 coffee scoops in there, grind it for about 20 seconds, and then it gives me pretty much 5 scoops. The lid on there, I sew, plug it in, and then hold down. And that pretty much gives me what I want. Lift the container out. Now normally you do this over the coffee pot, but I want to show you how I get the last little bits out. If you know what you're measuring, you can just dump it all in, of course. I have a very small baby spoon, and I just use it to spread the little bits out. A little bit better than having it go everywhere. In conclusion, I'm very satisfied with my KitchenAid coffee grinder.
Thank you for watching my video review of the KitchenAid coffee grinder. I have lots of coffee reviews. Look in the text below and it will take you to most of them. If you have time before you go, I'd love for you to watch another one of these videos. And in the meantime, just remember that coffee is our friend. Caffeine is our friend. Let's make use of it while we can. Take care. Bye.